am about to wash my hair today. My hair has been in one and it is very dirty. Like super unclean. Like it feels very gummy. Like it's not that bad, but like I still need to ensure that I get all this buildup off of my hair. So I'm gonna be washing my hair today. Oh, it looks terrible. Yeah, I don't think I've done like a full wash day in a while, so I think it'll be good to do an updated one. So it's time to hit the shower. So y'all, my shower routine really isn't anything special. I do the same thing on most wash days. I start off first by ensuring that my hair is thoroughly wet, and I mean soaking wet. I use warm water, which is best for cleansing, and I work the water into my hair until I feel that it has fully penetrated my hair shaft. Because I have low porosity hair, it can take some time for my hair to absorb water, so patience is key. If I rush this step, my wash day is guaranteed to be trash. My hair wasn't as matted this week, so I was able to finger detangle quite easily, and as you can see, I'm still working the water into my hair. At this point, it's safe to say that my hair is pretty much good to go, so I use my Tangle Teaser brush to help smooth my hair a bit before I even begin to shampoo. My hair looks really good, looks really conditioned. Today I'm using the Briogeo Don't Despair shampoo. I recently started to use this within the last month and it is absolutely fantastic. My hair loves it. I love the creamy consistency, which doesn't feel like it's stripping my hair, and after using it, my hair feels quite soft, shiny, and actually very moisturized. The shampoo is formulated with rosehip oil that maintains hair hydration and controls frizz, algae extract to nourish and strengthen hair and protect the scalp, plant proteins to replace the missing keratin proteins, and B vitamins to strengthen and nourish hair for increased elasticity and moisture. When I shampoo, I always ensure that I focus on my scalp, as we all should be doing when we're shampooing. I have itchy scalp, so I give it a good scrub, then I work the shampoo down to the ends and repeat. Because I have so much hair, I always try to work in sections to ensure that it's manageable for me. After the first wash, my hair typically is clean, but because I used an oil cream styler this week, I wanted to ensure that I didn't have any buildup on my hair or scalp, so I decided to do another wash before conditioning. Today I'll be conditioning with one of my favorite deep conditioners, the Shea Moisture Honey and Manuka, and I typically reach for this when my hair needs some good TLC. I did the absolute most with my hair last week, so I needed some reinforcements, and this usually does the trick. It always leaves my hair very moisturized, soft, and helps to tame the frizz. So I'm going to work this through my hair really well in sections, and then I'm going to deep condition with heat for about 20 minutes before moving on to styling. So I am ready to go to style my hair. So today I decided to use one of my favorite products that I've been using for the past few months, which is the Verb Foaming Gel. Now this gel I saw on Mains by Mel. I think she came up with this gel she partnered with Verb to formulate this foaming gel, which is a pretty good product for my hair at least. I haven't seen too many curly girls like this product, but I don't know, maybe it's because of the combination. I use it in conjunction with my Innocence I Create Whole Gel, which is a very good gel, another one of my favorite products. And I had really good results, so I'm not sure if, you know, everything doesn't work for everyone's hair, so it's up to you to find what works for your hair. But this is what I'm going to be using today to give me at least 4 to 5 days worth of good hair days. So let me get to it. To style my hair, the first thing that I do is add some water to it, then I smooth it out with the Tangle Teaser, then apply the foaming gel. I especially love this product because it literally glides through my hair. It has some slip, but it doesn't feel too light and it isn't too heavy that it'll weigh down my curls. The foaming gel offers the first control and definition of a gel with the lightweight feel and finish of a mousse, which, if I'm honest, I think it does, but I cannot verify this because I'm not too sure what it would feel like. The product was formulated with a sunflower curl complex, which again, I don't know what that means, but it is a multi-benefit curl enhancer which contains the power of the whole plant to deeply nourish and lock in moisture,
Whatever it is, I love it. This foaming gel is supposed to reduce frizz by 83% for up to 72 hours. And I will say that I think this is correct. It makes my hair look really good without being too crunchy, and of course it lasts a very long time. As you can see, my definition is amazing. The product does give a lighter hold than I would like, which is why I reach for my Inner Sense I Create Hold, which gives me a firm hold. I don't mind because it assists with ensuring that my curls last for quite some time. I can't explain to you how easy it was to style my hair with this product and how surprising it was that this even worked for my hair. In the hair care industry, certain products are marketed to a certain hair type, and I didn't think that this product was for me due to this. I'm just being honest. But I'm happy that I gave this product an opportunity because it's now a summer staple.
So I finished the back section and it looks really good. Very defined. Very defined. It's frizz-free, of course. Looks really good. And yeah, we're just gonna keep moving, keep going. I have this 2 front sections to do.
So when I reach the front of my hair, I try to take even smaller sections to ensure that the front is looking just right. Typically, I like to style and define forward and then flip back, but today I did a combination of things and I hope it works out for me. When I'm all done, I make sure to inspect everything to see if there are any dry areas that need a little more styling, and then I go back in and define as needed. I also wanted to encourage some shrinking, so I decided to scrunch my hair a little. I always do this by adding some more water before scrunching as to not create any frizzy areas. To finish off my styling process, I spray my entire hair with water. It's something I recently learned from a stylist and I've been doing it ever since, and I always get great results. Now it's off to diffusing.
So this is what my diffuse results look like. Lots of definition, not much frizz. And of course, as always, I am pleased with my foaming gel by Verb Beauty. I think it looks really good. This is a few hours after wash day, after diffusing my hair. I think it looks excellent. Drop. As you can see, the curls are super divine. It's still frizz-free, and I had to run an errand in the hot sun. So let me try to do a little scoot.
So I would say this is what you call a pretty good wash day, right? Without a doubt, this is one of the products that I will be reaching for this summer quite a bit. If you've ever used the Verb Foaming Gel, please let me know your thoughts on it. If you'd like to try the product out, I ordered it from Sephora. But yeah, that's going to do it for me today for this wash day. I'll be seeing you around.